my esteemed brother and sister judges, distinguished former judges, Shri Kamal Trivedi, Learned Advocate General, Ms. Shah, Government Leader, Mr. Mitesh Amin, Mr. Devang Vyas, Learned Central and State Law Officers, Mr. Prithviraj Singh Ji Jadeja, President, Mr. Hardik Brahmbhatt, Secretary, Mr. Parikh, Vice President, members of the Gujarat High Court Advocates Association, learned registrars and other members of the Registry of the High Court, distinguished senior advocates, learned members of the bar, family members of late Justice Yadram Meena, ladies and gentlemen. We have assembled here today to mourn the said demise of Justice Yadram Meena, former Chief Justice of this court, by recounting his personalities, qualities, achievement and contributions. Me and my most of colleagues had occasions to appear before Justice Meena when he was Chief Justice of this court. Justice Y.R. Meena was born in Alwar on 1st July 1946. He completed his BA degree from BR College Alwar and LLB from University of Rajasthan. Thereafter, he enrolled as an advocate in the year 1968. He practiced in civil, criminal and revenue matters. In the year 1973, he was appointed as Law Officer of the Law Commission of India. Thereafter, Justice Meena was appointed as Deputy Legislative Counsel in the year 1976 and as Additional Legislative Counsel in the year 1979 in the Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India, New Delhi. In the year 1980, he was elected and appointed as Judicial Member, Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. He joined the tribunal in 1981 and worked as judicial member in the different benches of the tribunal at Bombay, Ahmedabad and Jaipur till elevation as additional judge in Rajasthan High Court. On July 20, 1990, he was elevated as judge of Rajasthan High Court as a permanent judge of High Court. Thereafter, he was transferred to Calcutta High Court in December 1997. During 2000 and 2001, he functioned as administrative judge in Calcutta High Court. In October 2001, Justice Meena was transferred back to Rajasthan High Court. He was acting Chief Justice of Rajasthan High Court from 22nd October 2004 to 12th October 2005. At the relevant time, he was Patron-in-Chief of Rajasthan State Judicial Academy. Justice Meena was transferred to High Court of Gujarat as judge on 3rd April 2006. On the same day, he was appointed as acting Chief Justice, High Court of Gujarat and continued as such till 2nd February 2007. Justice Meena was elevated as the Chief Justice of High Court of Gujarat on 3rd February 2007. He retired from the state post on 30th June 2008. After his retirement, former Chief Minister of Jharkhand appointed Justice Meena as his legal advisor. Justice Y.R. Meena passed away on 21st March 2023 at the age of 77. He is survived by his wife, Mrs. Lakshmi Meena, two sons, Mr. Manish Kumar, a practicing advocate in Supreme Court, and Mr. Rakesh Kumar, a practicing advocate in Rajasthan High Court, and two daughters, Ms. Suman Meena and Ms. Madhurika Meena. Passing away of Justice Y.R. Meena has caused great loss to his family, friends, immense loss to the entire legal fraternity. I, on my own behalf and on behalf of all of my sister and brother judges, express our heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family. May the Almighty give them strength to bear the great loss and overcome the grief. May the departed soul rest in eternal peace.
My lords, on behalf of the legal fraternity of the state of Gujarat and on my own behalf, while associating with the sentiments that have fallen from my lord, Honorable the Acting Chief Justice, I express our deep sense of sorrow on the said demise of a former Chief Justice of our High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Y.R. Meena, on 21st March 2023. Today I am reminded of a question once asked by Nachiketa to Yama, the god of death, in Katha Upanishad. Does man continue to exist after death or does he perish with his body? The answer was, I quote, "The soul never perishes. It is immortal. The soul is tossed from one birth to another, from one state of being to another, like the weaver's shuttle without cessation. but soul is very much innocent, pure and spiritual as compared to the living human being. And hence, even if you have any disliking for someone, always respect his soul so that it may rest in peace. Unquote. It is on the basis of this philosophy that we have assembled here today to mourn the death of late Justice Meena. As referred to by my Lord, Justice Meena was born on 1st July 1946 in Alwar, Rajasthan. After completing his schooling, Justice Meena pursued graduation from Rajrishi College, Alwar in 1996 and thereafter obtained law degree in 1968 from University of Rajasthan. After enrollment with the Bar Council in 1968, Justice Meena started practicing in matters relating to civil, criminal and service laws. During the period from 1973 to 1979, Justice Meena was engaged with Ministry of Law and Justice, where he was appointed as a law officer in 1973 in Law Commission of India. Thereafter, in 1976, he held the post of Deputy Legislative Counsel, followed by an appointment in the year 1979 as Additional Legislative Counsel with the same Ministry of the Law and Justice. In 1980, Justice Meena held the post of Judicial Member, Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, and worked as such till his elevation as a judge of the Rajasthan High Court on 20th July 1990. In December 1997, Justice Meena was transferred to the High Court of Calcutta, and in October 2001, his lordship was retransferred to Rajasthan High Court. On 22nd October 2004, Justice Meena was appointed as the Acting Chief Justice of Rajasthan High Court and worked as such till 12th October 2005. Justice Meena was also a Patron-in-Chief of Rajasthan State Judicial Academy from 22nd October 2004 to 11th October 2005. On 3rd April 2006, Justice Meena was transferred to High Court of Gujarat and appointed as Acting Chief Justice. Subsequently, on 3rd February 2007, Justice Meena was appointed as the Chief Justice of a High Court, which office was held by his Lordship till retirement on 30th June 2008. Justice Meena is no more with us. He passed away on 21st March 2023 at the age of 77 years after a prolonged heart disease. This reminds me of 8th shloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I quote, Jatasya hi dhruvo, mrityu dhruvam janma mutasya, tasmadapari hasyaste, toham shochitu bharsi. Unquote. Meaning thereby, death is certain for one who is born, and rebirth is certain for the dead. Therefore, one should not grieve for what is inevitable. Late Justice Meena is survived by his wife, Srimati Lakshmiji, elder son, Sri Manish Meena, a practicing law in the Supreme Court, second son, Sri Rakesh Meena, who is settled in Jaipur and practicing in the High Court of Rajasthan at Jaipur, daughter Ms. Renu, who is settled with a family at Alwar. On behalf of the bar and legal profession, we convey our heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family members of Justice Meena. May the departed soul rest in peace eternal.
My lords, on behalf of the Gujarat High Court Advocates Association, I share the feelings expressed by my lords, the Acting Chief Justice and the Learned Advocate General on the sad demise of Honorable Mr. Justice Yadram Meena, former Chief Justice of the High Court of Gujarat. Justice Meena was born in 1946 in Alwar. Justice Meena completed his graduation from RR College, Alwar, and legal education from University of Rajasthan. He began his career in law as a practicing lawyer. Justice Meena started his career as a law officer in the Law Commission of India in 1973. He was later appointed as judicial member in Income Tax Appellate Tribunal in 1980 and thereafter elevated as a judge in High Court of Rajasthan in the year 1990. He served there till 1997. He was transferred to High Court of Calcutta and later retransferred to Rajasthan. Justice Meena was appointed as Acting Chief Justice of Rajasthan for almost 1 year and thereafter as Acting Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court in April 2006. He was elevated as Chief Justice of Gujarat on 3rd February 2007 and retired on 30th June 2008. During his judicial tenure, he adjudicated all types of cases, including constitutional cases, election petitions, civil and criminal matters, revenue matters, writ petitions, service, trade, and company cases. Unfortunately, I did not get an opportunity to meet him or interact with him personally. But what I gather from friends and seniors is that he was a kind-hearted person. The atmosphere in his courtroom was always pleasant, and juniors were not only treated well, but also encouraged to argue matters freely. Beyond his professional achievements, Justice Meena was also known for his kind and humble personality to his peers and colleagues at the bench. Justice Meena was a very religious man, and after his retirement, he spent most of the time in prayers and religious activities. Justice Meena passed away on 21st March at the age of 77 years after battling illness and heart disease. The passing away of Justice Meena is a great loss to the Indian judiciary and the legal community at large. His contributions to the law will be remembered for years to come. In his death, we have lost an eminent judge and above all a great human being, a true loss to the institution. Justice Meena is survived by his wife, daughters, sons, and grandchildren. His one son, Manish Kumar, is practicing in the Honorable Supreme Court, and the other, Mr. Rakesh Kumar, is a practicing lawyer in the Rajasthan High Court. His one son-in-law, Mr. Rajesh Verma, who is an IAS officer from the Odisha cadre, is currently serving as the Principal Secretary to Her Excellency the President of India. The other daughter is married to an engineer who is serving with the Indian Railways. I, on behalf of the Gujarat High Court Advocates Association, express my heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family. May the Almighty give them strength to bear the great loss and overcome the grief. May the departed soul rest in eternal peace. Om Shanti.
As a mark of respect to the departed soul, 2 minutes silence be observed. The Registrar General may convey the message of condolences to the members of bereaved family. As a mark of respect to the departed soul, the proceedings of the court will stand suspended for the rest of the day.